Leaders, entrepreneurs, check this out. You're contemplating on not bringing your employees back to the workplace. I'm here to tell you why that is a horrible idea if you want to prevent violence within your workplace culture. Hi, my name is Joe Malone. I'm a former Special Operations Marine, and I now teach people how to be safe against violence and violent crime. Why don't we want to keep people away from the office? I'm going to tell you why. Tachykinin. It's a neuropeptide that gets developed in the brain when we have a lack of human contact. A lack of in-person human contact creates a neuropeptide that is literally responsible for erratic, violent, and aggressive behavior. So when we have extended periods of isolation, all it takes is the smallest amount of aggravation within the human who has elevated amounts of this negative peptide, and they lash out in violent and erratic ways that make no sense whatsoever. For example, like an active shooter, like a workplace violence incident. When you allow your workers to stay at home and have zero human contact or limited human contact, you're increasing the likelihood of a violent incident, whether it's at your place of business or out in public, regardless